Here she is. And then you should receive it.
No kidding, just like that, huh?
You get it? Is that the key?
That's the key.
Dude, I just bought a new car. I'm just...
Should fly like a dream.
Thanks, bro.
Get it?
Peace. Test driven the car, but I didn't do it very extensively. Temps seem to be good. All the gauges are operating, that's good. The gear shifter I'm not a big fan of. I think it'll help if we upgrade to my AKG. Alright, let's see if we can squish in here. The donor car is here. This is so exciting. Okay. Well, we just went for a fun little drive. Pretty much was a one-handed experience because I tried to film. This S50 has some serious power to it. I can only imagine how it's gonna be like in my gutted E30. This one's got a full interior in it. So it's a little heavy. This door's locked. But there's tons of stuff in it. Back seats, front seats, leather, sound deadening, carpet, everything's in here. This has got some sick long tube headers on it already. Looking forward to pulling out my M20. Check out the rear end damage on this E30. Funny thing is both cars are damaged. You can see I've got a little bit back here, but my quarter panel from when I recently got T-boned from a guy on Craigslist I was trying to sell my Mac Pro to. Yes, I tried to sell my Mac Pro to a guy on Craigslist. He handed me $1,500 in fake counterfeit Benjamins, and I chased after him. It was about a 20-minute high-speed chase with police on the other phone, no seatbelts. I tried blocking him from continuing to flee from me, and he T-boned the side of the car. I kept going. So he gets out of the car, and he was like, "Take your computer back." But anyway, basically all we're gonna need to do is straighten out that quarter panel enough that this crease goes back to the door, and potentially we'll be able to also, I think, this door might be a little bent here, so instead of trying to replace or fix this door, we can probably just use this guy. Look at that, we've got a good side molding we can use. I'm gonna try and document this as best as I can by myself, but we'll have some people come and help film for other parts of this swap. So, cool. All right, I'm gonna set up the Movi. We're gonna be in some time lapses for you so you can see the process of pulling the motor out. I don't have anybody to film, so I'll just get to enjoy some of that. Roll it. So we just pulled out the M20 E30 Powertrain with the Get Rag 260 transmission. Pulled it out all as one piece. Marked the drive line before we pulled it all the way out. It is a mess in here, but first step is done.